Hi, good evening. Welcome all. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the market technical view. A recap of Nifty. Nifty, after a consolidation last week on an intraday basis, breaks below 18,600, immediately reversed to bounce back to knock doors of 18,900 900 levels to close at 18,893. Nifty, until and unless sustains above 18,640 680, can attempt towards 19,000 zones. Major support placed at 18,680 18,600, resistance at 18,980 19,000. The range for the week has been 18,500 to 18,980. Want to participate in India growth story? Interested to open a demat trading account? Do connect with us. Thank you. Happy investing and trading. Take care.